What's going on, my friend? Garrett here. Now, what I want to do inside this video is reveal what I personally believe to be the best online business to start. I've been online the last 5 years. I've invested thousands of my own hard-earned money into different types of businesses. I've seen where most people struggle and where most people succeed. And as you continue to pay close attention to this entire video, even until the end, what I'm going to do is break down every single bit of this business so you can go out there and start to see results, whether you don't have any previous experience. Maybe you're working a job right now, you don't have a lot of free time, or maybe you get overwhelmed easily and you just want a simple step-by-step A to Z formula to follow that's going to give you predictable results starting this week. So if you're excited to learn that, be sure to click the like button below to let me know. Also, if you're brand new to my channel and you never want to miss out on my latest online business training videos, be sure to click subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss out on my videos. And last but not least, let's go ahead and dive right in. All right, now if you've seen my videos before, you know I like to start them off with showing some income proof so you can see that what I'm about to share with you is proven to work and I am actually getting results. So as you can see right here in one of my Gmail accounts, I saw that I had a commission coming in, okay, which is basically money that was deposited into my account. And you can see right here that it says 20 hours ago. Okay, so at the time of recording this, about 20 hours ago, I had this payment come in and you can see the commission amount was $748.50. Now, I believe I was either sleeping or I was out with family when this actually came in, and I didn't even know the person that went through this process and sent money on autopilot. Okay, so using the formula that I'm about to reveal to you, you can literally set this up even on autopilot so you can generate passive income. So while you're hanging out with your friends and family or you're traveling, you can still have this business working for you. Okay, so let me go ahead into a whiteboard app right here. Now I wrote, the best online business to start. Now before I reveal the exact online business that I recommend, I need to break down what actually is an online business if you don't know. So when it comes to making money online or having your own business, it really comes down to selling either services or products. Okay, selling either services or products. A lot of people overcomplicate what a business actually is, or they get confused. And all it is you're selling a service or a product to people. As you can see on this diagram here, when you sell services or products to people, that's how you're actually going to be making money. Okay, so the money's not coming out of the sky. It's not some random thing. You're just going to be selling, again, a service, which is if you, let's say you're creating someone's website for them, you can create a business around doing that service for people, and you can charge money. You could also sell products. And what I'm gonna recommend to you, if you clicked on this video and you've seen maybe one of my other videos, I always teach people how to really create passive income. Income that comes in while you're sleeping, while you're out with your loved ones, while you're doing other things. So you don't have to be glued to your computer or your smartphone all day, answering questions from people, getting on the phone. So what I recommend you do if you want a passive business is you sell products. The reason being is if you want to sell services, you have to actually show up and do that service. Okay, so let's say you're selling a service to create logos for people online. Well, you have to actually put in time and be there and do the actual work yourself to sell those services, right? I mean, you can outsource it, but still, it takes time. If you want to automate this, if you want to create income like I did here that came in on autopilot, you want to sell products, okay? The reason being is you do not have to be there for the sale to be made. Okay, so people can get the product if they buy training or if they buy like a physical good, they can actually get that product and you don't have to be there. Okay, so you can automate that process. Now, what type of products do I recommend you market and sell online? Well, there's 3 main categories: health, wealth, and relationships. Okay, these are called the big 3 evergreen niches. Basically, they'll always be around. People will always need help in their health. They're always looking for wealth advice and wealth products and training and relationships, okay? How to find a mate, how to have a better relationship with their family, etc. So you want to pick one of these three. Now, which one should you pick? Well, you can pick one that you either have some experience in, either you're researching a lot, maybe you're passionate about a certain topic. You can go and find products around that. But you want to just pick one main niche, one main topic, and start to focus on that when you want to start your own business, okay? You don't want to start a business around tons of different topics because people aren't going to know what you're actually doing. You want to pick one main thing. Like for example, with me, I created this entire YouTube channel around making money online. So I focused on wealth. And so people watch my videos, they subscribe, they pay close attention to my future updates because they're learning how to improve their wealth, how to grow their money, how to make money. So you want to pick one. Now, when it comes to picking one, you can do one of two things. You can either create the products yourself, okay, or you can find products that are already created and that are selling well. And again, if you want to automate this, if you want to start your own business and create passive income as fast as possible, I'm going to recommend that you just find products online that are already created. You don't have to do the work yourself. You don't have to do all the, creation of the copywriting and the sales pages and tweaking all that stuff to find out what's actually working. You can find products online that are already created and just find people that are interested in those products. And when you sell or recommend those products to those people, you're gonna be able to make money. And again, that's what I did here. I promoted a product that was already created for me to people that want to learn how to make money online. This product teaches people how to make money online. And when they bought, I actually made money. Now, this is actually called affiliate marketing. Maybe you've heard of it. Maybe you've watched one of my videos on affiliate marketing. Basically, you're an affiliate of someone else's product and you can market that, you can promote that online, and when someone buys that through your own customized link, you get credit and you can make money. So now what I want to do is actually share with you, because you probably realize why affiliate marketing is actually one of the easiest online businesses to start. You don't have to deal with customer service, you don't have to deal with dealing with a lot of people and coaching and all that stuff. Now what I want to do is share with you how you can start finding products to actually promote online to start your own business. The first place I want to share with you is Amazon. Amazon.com. Now this is actually where I kind of started many years ago, as Amazon, because what you can do is you can go to Amazon, you can sign up to be an Amazon associate, which is basically an affiliate for Amazon. It's free to sign up, and basically you can just search a type of product. So for example, let's say dog leash, okay? And if I search that, you're gonna see all these dog leashes. Now maybe you've bought things on Amazon before, you know how it works, but if I open one up here, because I'm logged into my associate account or my affiliate account on Amazon, you're gonna see this bar at the top, okay? And when you open up a certain product, like let's say I wanted to sell products around dogs, okay? So maybe I wanna go into the dog niche. Now it's not one of the health, wealth, and relationships, but just as an example, what I would do is, let's say I want to promote this, I could go up here, go to get link, hit text, and right there is my affiliate link. And I could promote this link, and when someone goes to this link, they're going to be taken to this page, and if they buy, I'm going to get credit for that sale, and that's how you can make money. So Amazon is one place to find products. I will be honest with you, I don't really promote products on Amazon. The reason being is it pays you very, very tiny amount of money for the sale. So you can actually do the same amount of work, same amount of promotional time, etc., and make a lot more on other places to find products, right? So I don't personally use Amazon, but I did want to share it in this video in case you want to start with this and you want to find products that may not be on other sites. Now, another place that I started to evolve from Amazon, and I would go to ClickBank. Now, ClickBank is a marketplace where you can find products to become affiliates for. You can go down, they have all these different categories if you go into the marketplace on ClickBank. And so whatever category you decided to promote products in, you can actually find it here. So health and fitness, up here like business and investing, that's kind of the wealth. And then you can do wealth and the relationships. which I believe self-help, like dating guides, okay? They also have all these other ones. And you would just click in here, okay, so let's say dating guides, and it's gonna list all these different products that you can actually promote. And if you wanna promote one, if it looks good, you can just click promote, and it will generate, okay, an affiliate link. And this is an affiliate link on ClickBank. And now I can promote this, and if I do, it's gonna take us to that dating offer, okay? This is the sales page. Now this is basically a page that you would send people to, and if they liked it, they would buy, and you would get a portion of that money. Now ClickBank on average pays you more than Amazon, but oftentimes you have to wait 2 weeks, even up to a month sometimes, to get the money when you actually make the sale. And you can't earn, like $1,000 in a sale, right? So you may earn, at the most $250, which is kind of rare. Usually on ClickBank, you're gonna earn between $25 and about $100 per sale. But again, what I started to realize online as I started my own business and went through the journey and the trial and error of the last 5 years was, you can really do the same amount of work, you can do the same amount of effort, the same steps each day, and if you just promote something that pays you a lot more, you're gonna be able to make a lot more money. So what I started to realize is that, I discovered this type of system online. Now, the cool thing about this system is that all you have to do, and all I started to do, was send people to the front of this system. When I send people to my link and they start to create an account so they can actually do the same thing and duplicate what I've been doing, when they put their name, first name, last name, email, and they say, yes, let me in, they start just going through the setup process so they can also promote the same system and make money. But the cool thing about this is as people went through the system did all the selling, all the telling for me, and upsold people into all the different income streams. And with this system, many of the products inside, which are training as far as making money online, they pay you up to 100% commission, up to $2,000 per sale. And again, you're doing the same amount of work that you would do if you did Amazon. You're doing the same amount of work you would do at ClickBank. But the cool thing is, again, there's way more leverage because it does all the following up, all the telling, all the selling for you. And you can make 100% commissions up to $2,000. And so that's what I did here. This is one of the income streams that this system sold someone on for me. They realized the value. I mean, it is absolutely incredible. I've invested into the system in all the different income streams myself because it's incredibly valuable tools and resources to build an online business. And this is how I was able to make money. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video and this made sense for you. If you got value and you want me to make more videos like this, be sure to like the video. Also be sure to subscribe again so you don't miss out on my latest step-by-step training. And last but not least, if you're watching this and you were looking for an online business to start without a lot of experience, without a lot of time, without a lot of overwhelming, complicated information that will take you A to Z with no missing pieces, go to the first link below and check out my #1 recommended online business to start. And I really think you're gonna love how easy it actually is. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.